So there you are. You're having fun watching the cup. You're getting to know your neighbors and friends better. And then at some point, you get the opportunity to share the gospel. Now what? If you're holding your Victory Beyond the Cup host kit, you probably noticed inside this bracelet with 4 symbols on it. At first glance, it might look simple, but it's actually one of the most powerful tools you have in your hands to engage your neighbors, family, friends, whoever you invite to your watch party, a natural, clear, relational way to share the gospel. Not scripted, just a conversation in 4 simple steps. The first is this, the heart. And the heart is meant to help us remember God's love for us, that He created us personally and that He desires a relationship with each of us. And so you could say something like, man, I've really been thinking a lot about how God created me personally and wants a relationship with me. Have you thought about that ever? Have you ever thought about God as a loving God? And so the heart symbol gives us a foundation, a starting point, that God desires relationship with you, with me. And it gets us to our second symbol here, the divide, the division symbol. Simply put, something's broken. You could even say, even though God loves us, we are divided and separated from God because we chose to go our own way, because we choose to try to live life without Him. And this isn't about judging them, it's about reality. We all feel it. Broken relationships, regret, through pain and loss and fears and rejection. Because of that reality, we can't really know and experience God's love. The hope is that this third symbol here, the cross. The cross is our hope that God, even though we chose to go our own way, even though we try to do life on our own apart from relationship with God, you could say, because God loves us so much, He didn't leave us there, separated from Him. Jesus came, lived a perfect life, and gave His life on the cross to restore our relationship with God. This is where hope enters the story. Not something we earn, not something we fix on our own, not something we even do, but something Jesus has already done for us. And He invites us into a relationship. He invites us to walk with Him, to know Him. And the fourth symbol is a question mark. Will you choose to follow Jesus? This is where it becomes personal. You're not pressuring, you're inviting. Do we want to receive that gift? Do we want to receive God's love in a way that says, yes, I want to live life with you and I want to know you? And then it's time to listen. And maybe that's the bigger key, is listen more than talk. Because in this situation, it's about them and not about you. So as you're preparing to host your World Cup watch party and invite friends, family members, and neighbors into your home, you're preparing the food, you're preparing a perfect space for them to enjoy the game. Be thinking about how you can prepare your heart to be willing to share the 4. Because God can use these simple moments in really powerful ways.
Victory Beyond the Cup.